I got paid free 70,000 naira because I participated in an airdrop. And all I had to do then was wake up in the morning and carry out a particular task on the platform. And before I went to bed at night, I also repeated the same process and I went to bed. And it was so easy. It was not a lot. And you can see that here is a proof that I actually earned this 70,000 naira by participating in an airdrop. I got coins. Okay. So I got linked to this particular airdrop months ago, and I had to do it on the low, and I did not share with you guys on the platform. I'm so sorry, guys. The reason why I didn't share with you guys on the platform here is because I wanted to be so sure that airdrops like this actually work and that they would pay. All right. And so now that I'm certain that they work and they will pay, I'm actually going to come back right here and start sharing with you guys the airdrops that I actually do. And I'm also going to show you how you can actually get paid with those airdrops. I'm sorry, guys, because I didn't share this airdrop with you guys earlier. You guys would also be sharing the testimony with me, but then I did not because I wanted to be sure. Okay, and what is an airdrop? For those of us who do not know what airdrop is, so let's say I'm going to use an example to explain this. A particular community, a particular group of persons want to actually introduce a coin, and they want to publicize the coin and get people to have the coin even before it's introduced, before it's launched. Right, that's the right word. So what they do is that they actually get you to perform tax. And you perform tax on a platform, you get eligible for the airdrop, and when it launches, you get paid. You can actually choose to hold it, or you can choose to sell the particular coin. All right. So, because this airdrop works, I'll be sharing with you guys more airdrops. And I've been thinking, the reason why I'm making this video is because I want to actually get your opinion, know what you guys want. I want to actually make videos on different airdrops and how you can actually maximize these airdrops and make money off it. But then I also thought about creating a Telegram channel and actually sharing these insights on the Telegram channel. But I thought I should ask you guys to know which one is going to work for you guys, because you guys are the real deal, guys. I cannot do this without you. I cannot just start uploading videos without knowing your opinions, right? So what do you guys want? Do you guys want us to create a Telegram channel where I share insights, or do you guys want me to create videos, study videos on airdrops and share with you guys on this platform? It's going to be your call, guys. So if you want me to do that, guys, whatever it is you want me to do, just go to the comment section, guys, and drop it in the comment section. Share with me, guys. And let me know your mind. Let me know your thoughts towards this. Okay. So, there are a lot of airdrops that I have right now and I want to share with you guys. So just do that right now. And whatever you guys decide in a couple of days, guys, I'll be following, I'll be following your decision, guys. All right. So the ball is right now in your courts. It's left for you to actually make the decision, right? And peace.